my channel. My name is Lucy and I'm a cash budgeter. I'm also an Etsy seller and I'm a wife, a mom, and also an entrepreneur. And today I'm going to do a video about my budget for the month of August. So August is pretty much over. There's one more day for August, so I thought I'm gonna make the video for the month of August closeout. I usually do my closeout along with my reset, but I have so many things for my reset, so many goals, so many things that I want to show you guys, that I decided to do my closeout separately. Do not mind my dog. He's actually outside. He's barking. I closed the window, but I could still hear him. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Alrighty, you guys. So I just recently changed my the way my budget looks, all my spreadsheets, and let me tell you guys, I'm actually loving this database. It is awesome. I love it, love it, love it. All right, so it looks like all the expenses are here. I just double checked. So these are all my expenses that happened in the month of August. And then these are also the expenses, but I did started tracking this with this specific tracker with the calendar around the second week of August. So that's why I don't have everything, but this is where I check in my weekly with you guys. See if I can. All right, so this is how I just keep track of everything weekly with the calendar. And then the budget categories here, these are all the transactions. Everything that is put in this one, my expenses, it transfers to this one as a category, and then it's like gives me the cost. So for example, let me make sure that you guys see here. So for example, hang on. So for example, all right, so for home, we projected or budgeted $50. We actually spent $100. Let's see, and it looks like there was some Menards in here, so 2 times. Yeah, so it was Menards. So in my videos, you guys, I have been telling you guys that my husband and I decided to remodel a little bit our home. So we're starting little by little. So we that day we did spend $100. Actually it was on different days on remodel for our home remodel. So we went over $50. For beauty, I spent $20, and I believe that was at Walgreens. Entertainment, I ended up using the entertainment money for my husband's birthday, which was $50. For gas and maintenance, we budgeted $450. And we actually spent all this, so we were negative 150. So we went over 152. So 450 plus 152, so it's $602 altogether. So we went over 152 there. For shopping, same thing. $20. I budgeted $20. We spent $20, and there was a zero difference. I believe I bought a shirt with that money. And then for birthdays, which I ended up spending most of the money on my husband's birthday. And we actually also had one other birthday party, which we did go to. So that came out of the gift came out of that. And then I can't see, let's see. So yeah, pretty much I spent it on, oh no, this was groceries. Sorry guys. Okay, so yeah, on my husband's birthday. So let's see. So that was entertainment, gas, we already went through that. Birthdays, groceries. Okay, so for groceries, we actually we budgeted $450. It looks like we spent like 200, because we have $213 left still. So let's see, 450 minus 213 equals 237. So we spent $237. Let me just double check. So 45 plus 27 plus 165. So yeah, 237, and we have a remaining balance, or remaining, of $213. The reason why we haven't spent that much on groceries just because, you know, we did have we had a couple of birthday parties, and then we had a lot of food left over from my husband's birthday, so we've been eating leftovers. So yeah, I will grocery shop. What's today? Wednesday. So probably by Friday, the latest. But that's gonna actually be another month, or I might go before then to spend that money. For health and fitness, I budgeted $50. I spent $50. For Casper, my dog, I budgeted $20. I spent $37 on, at Menards, different things, and I went over $17. And then for emergency, I budgeted $30. I went over $160. Oh, okay, I see what I did. Yeah, so I actually had to pull off that from emergency. I spent $30, and then the rest I had so I had to pull out some money because we're gonna baptize our kids on September the 30th, and I went to the church and I had to give them like a payment, and so it was $80 for each child. So I had to grab 160, and I put it here on emergency because I'm gonna replace that money. So yeah, technically we went over $130. For savings challenges, I budgeted 155, and I put in 155 on my savings challenges. For personal care, I budgeted $20, and I spent $20 one time and then 28. So it's I went over $28 for personal care, and it looks like I bought some things at Walgreens, and then I ended up spending money for my son's haircut. So that's what it did. That's what it was. So for kids' clothes, I budgeted $20. I ended up spending $50, and there was a difference of $30. This month, you guys, it has been crazy. Like, it just been a spend month. But yeah, I mean, it is what it is. We'll probably try to save, not September, because, you know, like I mentioned, we do have a lot of things going on in September, but probably the following month. For debt, I put in $240, and I budgeted, and then that's what it was spent. For eating out, I budgeted $150, and we actually went over budget $32. So we ended up spending $182 for eating out. And again, on my husband's birthday, we did take him out to Buffalo Wild Wings. So that made it a little bit more. But yeah, so let's see the total of everything here. Okay, so that's the difference. And don't mind my child crying. Yeah, I don't know what happened. They're playing with their dad. Sorry, I'm like calculating each category. Okay, so here we go. Alright, you guys, so I figured it out. It actually needed to like reload or something, and then alright, so I told you guys this were the expenses. So the expenses came out to be in $2,213. Then if we go to the bottom here, the budgeted, remember the transactions was what I already showed you guys. um and then this, I budgeted 1,425, so there was a difference of $788. So that was what we overspent. And mostly I think we spent a lot of money on gas. We like overspent on gas. I had set a total of let's see. Oh, okay, so $602. Yeah, so that's what we spent on. We also overspent on food and dining, as well as kids' clothes, as well as personal care. Emergency, I overspent because, like I said, I had to pay the church for the kids' baptism. Groceries were the only category where we were actually good this time. Um, Oh, and you guys are not even seeing it. Oh, are you? I don't know. Oh, here we go. Yeah. So then home at Menards. So yeah, there was a whole lot of things that were new to us, and so we had to pay that. So we did go over budget here. So yeah, you guys, tell me what you guys think of this new system. I'm gonna give it a try a little bit more. I mean, like I said, I'm really loving it. It's just that in camera I got a little bit confused, and then I think I have to change this. Let's see if we can change it. This table up. Yeah, I have to figure out how to move this around. Like I said, this is a new database for me. It like works really good, but we'll see. I mean, if it doesn't fit, if the videos don't go smoothly, then I'm gonna have to go to this, excuse me, to this one, and for some reason it's not opening from here. But yeah, if it's not gonna work out, then I just might as well just do it from here. But I wanted to show you guys what I'm actually using, and I mean, I really like it. That's why I wanted to show you guys. So this is actually the budget for August, and you know, this is what I showed you guys over there. I'm gonna go to my September because I already have the September done. So September, so this is what I'm planning to spend. So I noticed that we did go over on gas a little, so I'm planning to budget $700 for gas for the month of September. Entertainment, we're not gonna do anything just because we got a lot of things going on, and that's including my kids' baptism. Groceries, I'm planning to spend $700, hopefully. Eating and takeout, $40. Medical, $50. Household, $50. Personal shopping, $0. And just notice that I have minimized a lot of the quantities, and I also have you know, zeroed out some of them, just because we are gonna have that big party, and we are going to be saving up more for that. So I'm trying to eliminate as many categories as I can. This is not, you know, this is just the budget, it's not the actual thing, so we'll see how it goes. So personal emergency, $30. Beauty, $20. Kids toys, $0. We're gonna try to not give them anything this month. Pet care, $20. Vacation, I put $100 just because we do have something coming up. We might have to reschedule that, but we'll see. Hobbies, $20. Kids clothes, $20. Events, and this meaning my kids' baptism, $150. IOUs, $432. Savings challenges, $100, and then birthdays, $150. Was this my, okay, so this is my September. I'm not sure why I have, in birthdays I have 150. I might have left it from the other time, or maybe I was thinking 150 for, instead of birthdays, we'll use it towards the party. Might be that. So yeah, you guys, so that is my September planning budget. So let me show you guys really quickly before leaving. I wanted to show you guys what I worked on this week. So I do have some scratch ups here, and this is for Friends Mickey Mouse, and it's $100 saving challenges. So you get to scratch one each time, and then you get a total of $100. It is not equal amounts. All of the amounts are different. So and you won't be able to see them, but it's $100. And then this is a Minnie Mouse, $95 savings, and it's small amounts because as you can tell, there's more scratch ups here. And then this Happy Halloween $50 spooky challenge. So yeah, you scratch them off and get a small quantity. All these are in my Etsy store. I will link it down below, so you can go ahead and purchase them already. They are a little bit bigger size just because I wanted to give you guys a little bit of more picture, and also more space to put more scratch ups and to be able to enjoy the pictures, because with the little ones I feel like you don't even have enough space for the scratch ups themselves. So yeah, these are the ones that I have on my Etsy store. I do have a lot more coming, mostly seasonal. So be on the lookout on that. And again, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for supporting. Thank you so much for everything that you guys do, for your likes, for your comments. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. And so yeah, thank you so much for the support. That is all that I have for you guys today. Stay on the lookout for my reset, which is coming very, very soon. Bye.